Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So before I begin my unboxing video, let me first collect the parcel. After eagerly waiting for a long time, we have received our iPhone 12 Pro. So let's begin our unboxing. അതിനെ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. എക്സൈറ്റ്മെന്റ്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഒരാളുടെ മുഖം നല്ല കുട്ടിക്ക് എന്താ സാധനം ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് വാങ്ങിച്ച പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. Open sesame, cool jar, sim. Oh my god, അതിന്റെ ഷൈൻ നോക്ക്. സോ ഈ ബോക്സിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എന്താ ഉള്ളത്? ജസ്റ്റ് കേബിൾ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. ഇയർഫോൺസ് ഇല്ല ആൻഡ് പ്ലഗ് ഓർ അഡാപ്റ്റർ ഇല്ല. ഇതാണ് അഡാപ്റ്റർ. യു ഹാവ് ടു ബൈ ദി അഡാപ്റ്റർ സെപ്പറേറ്റ്ലി. ഇത് ഇവിടെ 79 dirhams ആണ് UAE കോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So we have unboxed the new phone. Now we have to transfer all the data from the old phone to the new one. For this, first you have to switch on your new iPhone. As soon as you switch on your iPhone, you will have a screen welcoming you which says hello, hola, marhaba. Now swipe up and choose your language. Once you choose your language in your old iPhone, you will have a screen saying set up new iPhone. Now press continue. Also please note, don't choose the country in your new phone. Once you press continue, you will get a screen on your old phone with a blue color moving QR code as shown in the picture. So now keep your new phone on top of this and scan the QR code. So once you scan the QR code, your phone will start setting up the new phone and it will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network and then you will be asked to set up your Face ID. Now once you complete your Face ID, that is setting up your Face ID, then you will be asked to transfer all your data from your old iPhone, whatever be the name. Then you just say yes or continue and then it will show you setting up your Apple ID. Now it will ask you whether you want to transfer all your settings. So you press continue. Then it will ask you whether you want to transfer all your Apple Pay details, your Siri details, that is all your setting details. You can press continue or you can skip and do it later. I mean the Siri and the Apple Pay. So it's up to you. But be sure that you keep both the phones next to each other and your old phone should be completely charged. Now here you can see that once I pressed continue to everything, I can see that it says transferring data from Vijay's iPhone, that is from the old iPhone to the new one, and this may take some while. So until then, let me just open my new adapter. ഇതാണ് USB-C. നോർമലി എല്ലാം USB ഉണ്ടാവുക.
This is very good for travel, eh?
Yeah, and 12 വാങ്ങിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് എല്ലാം ഇത് വാങ്ങിച്ചേ പറ്റൂ. They don't have any other option. It's very simple, easy. മറ്റേതോ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ. No, the other one was not folding, no? It was not travel friendly. Waiting for transfer to be complete. Here it goes. Our transfer is complete and the new iPhone is setting up, or it's restarting. Now my new iPhone is a complete mirror image of the old iPhone. You can see there is no SIM card installed. So now what I can do is I can remove the SIM card from the old phone and install into my new. It has completely mirrored everything in. So guys, the phone is completely set up. Some of the apps are loading. It completely mirrored the old iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, then by this method you can just transfer all your data. You don't need iTunes and you don't need iCloud transfer, nothing. This is the easiest. So this is the color. How gorgeous. So so in this and usually before രണ്ട് stickers വരാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പം it's coming as only one sticker and I've never used this sticker, so
I'll put behind this.
Yeah, you can. So now I'm changing the SIM card from the old phone to the new one and I'm in love with this color. It's just amazing and a very new color addition to this year's iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, whatever it is. And hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. So until next time guys, bye bye.